South Africans, listen up. This is for you if you want to earn in dollars online in your spare time from home, working only 2 hours a day. I found a way for you to do just that. I'm promoting a very high in demand digital product that's already proven to sell. 25,000 people have joined this community since May 2023. No, you don't need a following. No, you don't need to prospect or recruit. No bothering family and friends. No, you don't have to build a team. All you need is to be coachable, be consistent, and also have a very big desire to change your current situation. It is possible to make a minimum of $100 a day with this interactive program. $1 is currently 18 Rand. So what is holding you back? Remember, wrong turns can still lead to beautiful destinations. Failed dreams can still create successful people. Sometimes it takes you to lose yourself to find yourself. God opened a beautiful door that can never be shut. Digital marketing is radically changing people's lives and it's not going anywhere. Now it's your turn. If you want to know how this is possible, drop a yes in the comments and I will provide all the details.